what you see here is tapioca, known as Kappa in Malayalam, and since it's a root, there is a lot of mud on this. So this is how we remove the skin of tapioca. Very easy to peel it off. So this is how it is chopped, you can see. Very easy to chop. So this is how it is, and now we have to give it a thorough wash and then slice it into, not slices in fact, chop into pieces to make this. So we have to add this tapioca into the hot boiling water. Put it now onto the high flame. Properly. Now salt has to be added and the draining of the water has to be done. So now it is time to crush the small onions and garlic, as you can see. And the other part, you can keep these ingredients ready: turmeric powder, curry leaves, and red chili crushed. Here it is. You can see the Kappa tapioca is fantastically done. It's ready. It's boiled. Now we are using oil. We love to use coconut oil, so it's in coconut oil. Crushed onions, garlic, and so on, as I showed before. Now adding the curry leaves. So almost brown color. Now adding turmeric powder to this, just for taste. You can reduce or increase as per your taste. Adding chili flakes, again as per your taste. It all depends. You want it spicy, add more. Now it has become really crispy. Time now to add the tapioca into this. Please wait and see. So the tapioca was already so well cooked that there is very little efforts now. I think it's already done. So this is the final product. Wonderfully done. As you can see. Thanks a lot for watching, and request you to please subscribe and motivate us and like our videos, and please see other videos in the channel. Thank you so much. Take care.